Hello, my name is James, and I have had the micropigmentation done. I was a little skeptical at first, but I'm very satisfied with what happened. Dominic Alexander, my friend, and he runs Tattoos by Taz, and he talked to me about it, and I was kind of on one way or the other, and I decided that I would let him go ahead and try it, and I'm very, very satisfied with the results. I've been bald for probably about the past 20 years, but he talked to me and I decided that I would let him go ahead and try the micropigmentation. And we're in New Orleans, in the South, and we have, started something, and hopefully if any of y'all are out there and decide to do it, that y'all would take my advice and go ahead and do it, because I'm very satisfied. And thank you.
Okay, everybody, I'm sitting here today with my friend James, and as you know, I've been practicing the SMP scalp micropigmentation. I called my friend in, and I had him come in just so I could kind of get the training going down pat, get it down pat a little bit, and like friends would do, he came in and we did his head. Now, the reason why I got you guys here is because I want y'all to kind of see what we have going on here. Like, with his head right here, this was completely bald. And now, as you can see, we have a hairline, and we actually have some side hairs too, and also a full back. Now, this procedure here will take 2 procedures to get this type of look down. So I do want to let you guys know that it will take 2 procedures to get that look. We could do lighter looks, we could do darker looks, and also I will be like going with the tones of your hair. I will be taking my time out to study your head overnight. Like after I do my first consultation with you, I'll study your hair and make sure that I pick the right colors for you, for your hair that will be suitable to match it. Same thing I did with him. And what I did was I wanted to make sure that he was comfortable with what he wanted. And we matched his head the first time. And he came back, just like a client would do. And he said, I would think I would like it darker. We went back in and we made it darker, and he's definitely satisfied with the procedure now, right?
Yes, I was a little skeptical at first, honestly, but to me it's something that if you're a little bit like I was on the skeptical side, that it wound up being something that I'm very pleased with.
Yeah, you heard it from the horse's mouth itself.
And mostly it was painless, so I didn't have any pain, and we got it done in 2 sessions, and I wound up being very, very pleased. So
yeah, so I mean, if you want this procedure from Tattoos by Taz, we are opening up a clinic on the West Bank. It will be called Hair Restoration. We have a website. I'll put it down here below. Also, like I said, we're gonna have private consultations, and this procedure will be confidential between just me and you.